So at this point, we're nearing the end of the hour, but I just want to give everybody a little bit of orientation around where you can go to find more information on the speakers, review their blog posts, etc. The main place that I want you to start is by going to the Fused website itself at fused.io. This is kind of your starting point for going to a variety of different locations. The main ones that I do want to highlight, though, are under the Resources tab here. The first one is the blog, and if you go to the blog itself, you're going to see a blog post from the authors that were, or the speakers from today, as well as a few other ones from other members of the Fuse community and the Fuse team itself. So that is the blog, and within here, I should say that for the speakers, you'll often find a link to their LinkedIn profile. So if you want to contact them to ask further questions in that way, that's how you can locate them. The next resource here is the docs page. And this is basically the details of the API along with guides and quick starts. We're just getting started with Fuse. Start here with the quick start guide, and then you'll branch out to the other different higher level concepts of Fused itself. The next one is GitHub. So a lot of the UDFs that you saw today and a lot of other ones are stored on GitHub. And if GitHub loads here quickly enough, you'll be able to see that it's just files in a repository. So we have basically a folder of community contributions and public ones that we have made to be referenced by others. It's all under version control, and it's pretty easy to go in there and see kind of what's behind the scenes of the code that Fused has run. And then the final one I want to talk about is the community resource there. And if you click on this, you're going to get a invitation to a Discord. So you can join the Discord community server and interact with other members of the Fused community here. All right. So in addition to that, I guess the last thing I want to point out is that Fused team is very active on LinkedIn. There is a Fused.io company on LinkedIn. So just search for that and follow that if you want to see a lot of kind of posts, examples, again, of things that are being highlighted in the community. So that's where you need to go. Since we're almost at the top of the hour, I'm going to invite in both the speakers and the Fuse team. We'll see how many people that we can get up here on screen at once. Thanks. This is Sina and Isaac, co-founders of Fused. Let's see who else we're having on.
I just want to say thank you so much. Special thanks to Tyler and also Plinio behind the scene. I don't know where is Plinio. Plinio, bring yourself up, please. Plinio has been doing all of the orchestration under the hood, and Tyler, thanks for doing it, as well as the rest of the speakers. Thank you for presenting, and of course the audience. We really appreciate your time. And Isaac, if you have a couple of words there, I'll pass it to you.
Yeah, I'd like to thank everybody for watching today. I'd also like to thank the speakers for taking the time to present today and for their blog posts and all their interesting insights. And I want to add one other thing. It's been great today to see what we can build with some of the latest in cloud optimized data and the latest in browser tech and serverless technologies. And if that's something that you're interested in, we also have a careers page up at fuse.io if you want to take a look at some positions we're hiring for. Thanks.
Great. Well, with that, I'm going to call this a wrap on this first showcase of the Fuse community. If you liked it, please give us feedback on LinkedIn or on the Discord channel. Let us know whether we should do this again in the future, because there are quite a few other active people in the Fuse community that we would love to highlight as well. So for now, say thank you and see you in the community chats.